I'm very happy that my son Siddharth Murthy is studying in the PGDM program at the SIS School of Business. The institution is reputed, and it's grown over the years, several decades. And the primary reason SIS is where it is because of the great Bharat Ratna MS Subbulakshmi. I think we need to go back in time to try and understand that this personality, and she devoted her entire life to the world of classical music. She played at the United Nations. So the pedigree of the institution is great. Number two, the management is playing a critical role in developing young lives and shape their life forward as leaders. From the time that Siddharth actually joined the institute earlier, obviously when you are not into your management, you come in with a background and a particular line of specialization at the graduate level. Specialization may not be the right word, but he was in media. So obviously his exposure was limited to that particular area. But the minute you get into management, then the exposure, the degree, the depth and the width of exposure, it changes you completely as a person, because the one thing that you learn from management is about leadership, is about people, and how critical human resources is to the ultimate growth of an organization. So from that point of view, I could see the changes in the way he was thinking, his analytical thinking skills. When he puts on that hat, very clearly you can make out that he is thinking deeply, thinking more rationally, thinking more widely, and also sort of taking into account the feedback that he gets from his colleagues. So those were, I think, clear 3 or 4 outcomes that I could see in the first 6 months of the program at SIES.